Okay, so I had this bright idea to use. This is the French Acrylic Sculpture Kit. You can find this at your local CVS. I can't believe this is my first time ever trying this, especially a girl from the hood. You know, I had to get my press-ons from Kiss at CVS, or AKA Save On at the time. But I don't know why I never laid my eyes on this until they were kind enough to send me some stuffs. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm gonna have to use this peel-off base coat because I have to take them off and continue to do my job. So, but this is a peel off polish. Is it the strongest? Heck no. There are other ones on the market that are probably better, but this is what I have here at home since I'm filming at home right now. So this you can find on Amazon, on my Amazon storefront. Buy it, don't buy it, I don't care. But this is what I use in order to do content. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the oil off from my nail plate. Do I have scissors? All right, so it comes with nail tips, your acrylic liquid, your Kiss acrylic brush, maximum speed nail glue, acrylic powder, and then we got natural, pretty curved nails and white, pretty curved. We're obviously, we're gonna do these batty French y2k nails. Don't try to steal it because it's got a little thing in there. A little cuticle pusher here. And you got your buffer here, your nail file, buffer. Actually, I'm kind of curious to what the ingredients are. We got ABS plastic, which is for the tips, the acrylic. You got your ethyl methacrylate, your HEMA. So if you are allergic to that, I mean, you might get an allergy. Okay, you're gonna wanna put a little towel of some sort on your table, okay, because not everyone who's doing their nails at home. Do I recommend you doing this at home? Absolutely not, but you're gonna do it anyway, so I'm just letting you know that you shouldn't, but you're gonna do what you want anyways because you're a grown-ass person and you're gonna do what you want anyway. So, you know, I don't pay your bills, so do what you want, girl. But like I said, I did not tell you to do this. Just want to put it out there that I am a licensed nail technician here in California, but that does not make me an expert, okay? People that have been doing nails for 10 years still don't know shit sometimes, so just please do your research and don't take any advice from anybody on the internet at this point. Do your due diligence. Figure it out yourself. Trust no one. How about that? So I'm gonna go ahead and put my little polish here, the white ones here. I'm so excited, it's not even funny. I've been wanting to try this. I've had this for about a solid year and a half now, and I've been meaning to try it. Now I got a little more freedom or whatever. That's a little big. Crazy, oh my God, I'm excited, okay. Because, you know, back in the day, and now, you can do it now. You just put a white tip on, no need to blend, and then just put your pink acrylic over it, and you're like ready to go. So, yeah. For anytime you start like having to file or anything like that, make sure anything you have open is closed. If any dust is going to happen, seal everything before you have at it. So I'm gonna use the nail file part here. It's pretty big, pretty nice. Just kind of, that way I don't have, and I'm gonna just file right here, that way I don't have to glue it onto my skin. Make sure you file just a little bit at a time, and then just make sure it fits. Okay, I think I can do that now. When you're gonna open a bottle of any kind of like nail glue, you gotta be really careful. Keep it upwards at all times. Don't like open it to the side or anything like that. Just be really, really, really careful. It seems like it's already open and ready to go. Honestly, no need to come on here and like drill the well or anything like that. We don't need to do all that. And I'm just gonna put a little bit in the middle. Really is on there. Now it's a little wobbly because I do have that peel off base coat. Girl. It's giving girl. I'm excited, but also scared at the same time. Make sure to shut it. If you're not using it, close it up. Okay, and there is no way that I want them that long. So we're just gonna cut her. I mean, let's be real. Like, I did not get anything longer than this in the early 2000s. So I could not afford to go longer than this. So yeah, so we're gonna keep it there. Now, early 2000s, you know, little rounded corners didn't really matter, but you know, 2023, we're gonna just spice it up a little bit. We're gonna just use this to make it nice and straight. And I'm also gonna straighten it up just a little bit here. I know you want them curving down, but I'm doing my best not to make it curve too much. Okay, this will do. Okay, so you know what I just realized? I realized that they do not give you a little something to put, a little dampen dish to put your monomer in. I have this one, but I think it's gonna be a little too much. Most of us will get one of these because they're like $1.99 or less, you know? Like, so we'll use this. We'll use this. I am so scared to open this, it's not even funny. Oh my God, I smell it. Woo wee! She's not even that purple too, so I don't know, she might be the good stuff. Oh, I'm scared. I'm so scared. Then we gotta break this girl in. Hold on. Break her up just a little bit. She's kind of, she feels wet. We're just gonna put her in here. Oh, was that not a good idea? Okay, we're gonna clean her with a little bit of monomer. We're gonna use this little eponychium pusher. Just slowly. You don't want to put too much pressure because these little hairs are going to curve and flare out. You don't want that to happen. So we're just gonna treat her like a baby. Okay, so you want to be really careful with this monomer, okay? Especially if you don't have a glove. Like, please find a glove. At this point, everybody should have a glove at their houses after COVID. Is she the best brush? No, but this is what we have to work with, and that's what we're gonna do. She's not that bad. Just treat her like a little, treat her like the fine little piece of thing that she is. Put her down. We're gonna open this acrylic powder. Ooh-wee, let's see. Nice and slow, because you don't want it going everywhere. Is this clear? Is this clear powder? I just want to make sure. Okay. Woo. It's clear powder. Okay, girl, I am nervous. I am so nervous. They do not give you any primer, any dehydrator. Okay, the dehydrator was our alcohol, and then pretend that I put, I don't know, some kind of primer, but that's not primer, obviously. I'm so scared right now. It's like, buddy. Oh. Here we go. Ooh. Oh my God, she's fast. She's moving fast. Okay, so we gotta be real quick with it. Wow. Get her in there, hurry us there. Ah. I am trembling, I'm so scared. I didn't get too close because I'm scared. I'm afraid it's gonna make me break out or something, but no, it looks pretty good. Oh, snipper snappers. Period. Okay, so if I wouldn't have hesitated to get close to the eponychium, then, you know, it would look better, but I was scared. I was too scared. And this stuff dries quick. This is looking really good. I'm so excited. I got like a little bit missing in here. She's giving, you guys. Oh my God. Okay, time to do all the rest of them.
Oh my God, don't they look like teeth? And we still have a little bit of monomer left, so do not put this back in your bottle. Just dispose of it. And we seem to have plenty of monomer left, so just use a little bit at a time and you'll have just enough for both hands. I remembered I had this Chiara Sky Frenchy Pink gel polish, which is pretty much giving jelly pink like the back in the day top coats. Now it was a little too pink for my liking, so what I did is mix a little bit of top coat with the already jelly pink just to make it just a tad lighter and give it more of like a more sheer pink to really give it that 90s early 2000s vibes. I remember getting charged for a gel top coat. Do you want gel top coat? It'd be like $5 or $12 more or something like that, just to have my acrylics top coated with gel.
What? And I rushed them so they're not like super perfect, but hello. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also have the salon dip kit, so if you're interested in me trying this out, I have never done dip on anyone or myself besides in class, but besides that I have not done it. So if you want me to give this a try, I will, and just let me know in the comments.